Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm. Today we want to walk through a really quick how to assemble our Gaylord Box Dividers. Here we go. Okay, here's an example of a Gaylord box. This is a plastic one. It happens to be about 44 by 41 inches. And as you can see, we've got our plywood dividers in there. And in each corner, we have some supports to help provide some additional stability, and that works really well even though it's down there at the bottom. All right, let's get to assembling this, and I think you'll find it's pretty easy. Let's start with the dividers. The dividers are going to be cut and notched according to the dimensions of your Gaylord box. As you can see, we've got a half-length notch here and an opposing notch in the other board. And what you'll want to do is set this down inside the Gaylord box. I'm not going to do that so you can see what I'm doing. You'll want to set this down in the box and then set this at a 90-degree angle. And it will go together easily, but it'll make a nice snug fit. That's it. And now we'll move on to the corner supports. Now with this Gaylord box, this one happens to be about 44 inches long by 41 inches wide. And that's pretty typical. The same is going to be true of our corner supports. We're going to have a long leg and we're going to have a shorter leg. The long leg is color coded. And the long leg, this will go in the corner, and the long leg will go against the long wall of the box. The other one against the shorter. Put this in there just like that, and it'll be a very snug fit, and it should be. And then you'll just work this down into the box until it works its way all the way to the bottom. Do this on all four corners, and when you finish that, it'll be a very, very sturdy divider system. And that's how to assemble our Gaylord Box Dividers. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please contact us at info@applevalleyfarmga.com. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.